here's a way to get rid of them. A trick. So my sister taught me. You drink water, and then you hop up and down on 1 foot 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Swallow. Now you swallow it. And that's the trick how to get rid of hiccups. See? No more hiccups. No more. Now I can do the show.